On all of our Equipters, we have 2 roof chutes, 1 on each side, and a gutter guard. And they go on the roof to funnel the shingles and nails over the gutter guard into the Equipter. So I'm going to show you how that works. Just simply flip up the safety lever on each side for the roof chute. And on this side of the unit, you're going to pull off the roof chute and the gutter guard at once. So here we have our gutter guard, which goes over the gutter of the house. This, of course, would be up on the roof of the house, not on the yard. That goes over the gutter to protect the gutter. And then you simply put a roof chute nailed onto the roof on each side to funnel the trash into the Equipter. The roof chutes and the gutter guards are going to be nailed onto the roof of the house right at the end, and then you're going to scrape all of your trash in here, and it acts as a funnel directly into the Equipter.